Our Bible reading for today is the book of Psalm, chapter 95. The psalmist invited us in verse 1. Come, let us sing for joy to the Lord. Let us shout aloud to the rock of our salvation. Verse 2. Let us come before Him with thanksgiving and extol Him with music and song. Brothers and sisters, our religion, Christianity, is a feeling religion. When we sing, we are singing in God's presence. Verse 3. For the Lord is the great God, the great King above all gods. God was mentioned here in three names. The L implies His strength. Then Jehovah, His being, and Elohim, which refers to His covenant relationship with mankind. We cannot apply these three names to the false gods. Now, how great is our God? Verse 4. In His hand are the depths of the earth, and the mountain peaks belong to Him. What about the sea? How the sea belongs to God? The sea is His, for He made it, and His hands formed the dry land. The oceans and seas of this world belong to God. In verse 6, invitation was given. Come, let us bow down in worship. Let us kneel before the Lord our Maker. The idea behind the Hebrew word worship is essentially to bow down. Unto our God we must sing, we must rejoice. Before Him we must worship. He is not a God made by human hands as created beings, but He is the Creator Himself, who made the heavens and the earth, the seas and everything in them. In verse 7, for He is our God, and we are the people of His pasture, the flock under His care. Today, if only you would hear His voice, the psalmist said, today, when we hear His voice, the word today is very important. It means now. Do it now, right away. Do not delay. Let's obey and do His bidding. Let's worship Him. Let's sing His praises. Let's bring our offerings of thanks to Him. Verse 8. Do not harden your hearts. Then we will enter into His rest as He promised. Now, what is the moral lesson of this chapter? Number 1. Our God is not created beings made by human hands, but He is the Creator Himself who made the heavens and the earth, the seas and everything in them. Number 2, let's worship Him. Let's sing His praises. Let's bring our offerings of thanksgiving to Him now, today. Please read this wonderful Psalm chapter 95 to get the complete story.